Welcome to THS Informatics. In this video, we are going to see the demonstration of intrusion detection system for Internet of Things using machine learning models. It is a latest paper 2022. It is published in July month 2022, and in the main paper they are giving using the XGBoost algorithm, and they are achieving around 99% accuracy. We are achieving more than this 99.84, 100% accuracy also we are achieving. Okay, that is a new enhancement we are doing using random forest algorithm and k neighbors algorithm we are achieving. Now main thing is when you are doing the intrusion detection system, we need the data set. The data set we are having the one famous data set ICCIDS 2017 data set we are using. You can see in this data set there are 78 features are there. Okay, among these 78 features we are having that the labels will be there. Benign means it's a normal, and DDoS means it is a distributed denial of attack. These are the data for the intrusion detection system. That means for IoT, Internet of Things, intrusion detection we are going to detect. This project we are developed using Python on Jupyter Notebook, and we can able to do binary. This is a binary classification. Binary means benign or DDoS. If you want multi-classification also, we can able to achieve in this project. This video is for the binary classification. We will go to the project. It is a pre-processing. In the pre-processing, we are having the data set that we are importing the libraries. Then the data set CICIDS data set we are reading, and there are 78 features are there. Last column is for label, that is a benign or DDoS attack, and we are visualizing. We are printing all the 78. It is starting from 0 to 78, including label. We are showcasing all the features, and how many unique labels are there. It is a binary classification. I told you it is a benign and a DDoS. Two classifications are there. We are analyzing the data set. There is a DDoS related records are more compared to the benign, so that we want to balance the data set. Once we balance this data set, we are getting the both are equally 50% balance. We made it. We are getting 50% for DDoS and 50% for benign, and after that we are normalizing this data. And the normalization means between converting the values between 0 to 1 we are converting the data, and we are storing that normalized in a pickle format, and we are splitting the data into X-train, Y-train, X-test, Y-test. Whenever we are going to train the model means we have to give the X-train and Y-train to the training model, and once the model is trained we are going to give the X-test, that it will give the result that is called Y-predict. That Y-predict will be going to compare with the Y-test. Okay, that for that comparison we are storing this data, so that these all are stored in an Excel file. I can show you. There is a splitted data. All this data will be stored, and the normalization files also we are storing in the normalized model.pkl. We are storing it. After the pre-processing, we are going for a training model. In the training model, we have to import the 4 files what we stored, that we are importing and loading the model. These 4 Excel files we are loading. You can see that a huge data set. In the training only we are having 1,52,000 records are there, 78 features are there. In the training we are having a 38,000 records are there, and after that we are printing, displaying all the things. Then we are creating the random forest classifier. We are creating one variable for the random forest model. For that we are providing the X-train and Y-train for the model generation. Once the model is trained, we are giving a predicting, we are giving the X-test. X-test is for the testing kind of thing data. Then for that it will give the prediction. That prediction we called it a Y prediction. In this project we are storing as a RF prediction, but the real values are stored in a Y test. It will be there, so that for the accuracy comparison we are giving that Y test and RF prediction we are giving, it is showing that 99.99% we are getting the accuracy. Whereas in this ADA boost thing, it is giving 99.84, but we are achieving 99.99 accuracy, we are getting it here. And we are printing the classification report, and we are printing the confusion matrix, only two things only wrong, and we are saving the model as a random forest classified as PKL. Then we are using one more model for comparison, K-neighbor classifier we are using. Similarly, we are instantiating the K-neighbor classifier model, and we train the model, and we are giving a test data, and the prediction will be stored in a KNC prediction. Then we are comparing the KNC prediction with our Y test. Then we are getting 99.98, we are getting the prediction. Okay. So that both the models are giving a very good accuracy, and we are saving both the model. Then what we are doing means we are creating one test file. In this test file, you see that there is no last thing. It will not detecting whether it's a benign or it is a DDoS attack. So that what will happen means when we are giving this parameter, it has to predict whether it is a benign or a DDoS attack. For that we are writing a one test file in a Jupyter notebook only. You can see we are loading the test file. All these data are there. You can see there is nothing. The last column is not there. Classification column is not there. After we are pre-processing other thing, normalizing this data, we are giving this data to the model. What model? What we already stored that the PKL file. That we are loading that the random forest is giving a more accuracy. We load that model. For that model, we are giving that. For this model, we are passing this text data. We are passing it to the model. Then the model will be predict all the values. It will be predict that model dot prediction. We are sending this data, and it will give all the prediction based on 0 and 1. 0 means benign, 1 means DDoS attack. We are printing that the values. You can see we are printing the last thing, all the model. So that we will get the accuracy 99.9% we are getting accuracy. That is a very good accuracy we achieved. Actually, intrusion detection is one of the upcoming project. It is not only one project. There are many types of attacks are there, R2L, U2R, like that multiple possibilities are there. We can able to do binary classification as well as some multi-level classification also we can able to do in a intrusion detection. Data sets also, huge data sets are there, and with the help of this intrusion detection system, we can able to do the responsive system also we can able to do. What is meant by responsive? When the intrusions are coming means how to overcome that. Like that we can able to do. For that we create a front end also we can able to create. In this front end I am logging in. So that this is not the same project. Here we are using multi-classification. Multi-classification means more than one we can able to understand. Here we can able to see that the graphs. You can see confusion matrix. We are detecting not only DDoS, normal DDoS, R2L. In the code what I showed in Jupyter notebook, it is having the DDoS under the normal only. But here we are classifying other three attacks. R2L, probe and U2R. We did this system with the LSTM algorithm, and as well as we did with the CNN algorithm. We are comparing LSTM and CNN also we are comparing. What I am trying to do, say to you, intrusion detection, there are many formats are there. We can able to do multiple projects based on the data set and our algorithm, and based on the number of attacks we can able to do. Here the classification report also is giving good. Above 90% we can able to achieve always. Here you can see that the LSTM is giving a 98%, CNN is giving a 93%, and accuracy loss plot also we can able to plot it, and accuracy and the comparison also we can do. Long short-term memory is giving a more accuracy compared to the convolution neural network. So that what I am trying to do, intrusion detection system, it is like a multiple data sets are available, multiple algorithms are available. Any type of intrusion detection system you want also we can able to develop for you. Okay. So that for any doubts or any clarification, you can able to approach us. We can able to provide you the quality services with the affordable rate we can able to provide to you. We are able to provide you the coding classes, Python basics, coding classes, report work, and how to present your college PO wise, everything we can able to help you, and also we will assist you in the paper publication also, and any other clarification related to your academics we can able to solve it on your project. So that thanks for listening this video. Hope you enjoyed this video, and you have any doubts or any clarification, feel free to call us at 98451 66723 or 988669241. Visit our website www.dhsinformatics.com.